So to download your admit card or call letter in RBI assistant exam, simply go in Google and search call RBI assistant admit card. Then you can see call letter option, click on it. So here you can see option 1, requirement for post of assistance. So click on it. So you can see call letter and information, instruction for PWBD and call letter. So here you can see all the option. You can download a reference document in Hindi. So this is generally instruction given to you. So here you can see all the instruction. Go back now, down here you can see login credentials. Put your roll number or registration number here, then password, date of birth, enter captcha code. Here is captcha code. That's all.